All right, you guys, I want to show you the latest mom hack that I have found, and that is Javy Coffee. So this is so easy, you guys. If you are a busy mom like me, you know, we don't get time to be waiting for our coffee to kick in the morning. So Javy sent me this coffee and concentrate, and it is absolutely amazing. All you do is you fill your cup with your favorite liquid, and you add a couple of tablespoons, depending how strong you want it. It is so delicious. I have been living on this, you guys. It has absolutely saved my mornings. All right, let's add our liquid. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the coffee. I'm gonna add some oat milk, and I'm gonna add a little splash of my creamer. You guys, that took under 30 seconds to make my morning cup of coffee, and that is what I, as a busy mom, need in the morning, and you probably too as well. So if you guys want, you can check out Javy Coffee. Use my code Holly to save 15%. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it.